Hello everyone, welcome back to online classes. Standard 8 Subject English, Section Grammar, Unit 23, Topic Word Formation. Let us solve the exercise and write the answers. Let's begin. Today's our topic is word formation. Often new words are formed from the existing root words by adding small units either at the beginning or in the end. This is known as word formation. We need to know how to make noun forms, how to make adjective forms, how to make verb forms, how to make adverb forms. How to make noun forms. Making noun forms using suffixes. Most of the noun forms can be formed by adding suitable suffix to the root words. Sometimes you have to make some spelling changes to the word before adding suffix. Now let us see the example word and suffix. Okay, let's begin the noun form. Add, shun, addition. Depress, shun, depression. Adjust, meant, adjustment. Born, the, birth. Accept, ends, acceptance. Brave, bravery. Differ, ends, difference. Darkness, darkness. Humanity, humanity. Nationalism, nationalism. Failure, failure. Grateful, gratitude. Arrival. Now let us see another form. How to make adjective form. One can make adjectives out of other words by adding suitable suffix, letter added after a word. Please note sometimes we need to make spelling changes to the word before adding the suffix. Example, relay, reliable. Now let us study the examples of adjective forms, word, suffix and adjective form. Let's begin. Absorb, absorptive. Hesitation and hesitant. Adjust, able, adjust. Indulge and indulgent. Beautiful, beautiful. Industry, industrious. Choose, why, choosy. Face, facial. Devote, devotional. Origin, original. Crowd, crowded. Feeling, less, feelingless. Energy, energetic. Digestible, digestible. Friendly, friendly. Compassionatory, compassionatory. How to make verb form. It is not always possible to add prefixes or suffixes to form a verb. However, it helps in most of the cases. Now suffix, word and verb form. 8. Celebration. So we are going to change the word to celebrate. N. Soft, soften. Ify, identity. T. Identify. Eyes is modern, modernized. Let's move on. Typical verb prefixes. Prefix, word, verb. Recall, recall. Befriend, befriend. Perform, perform. Impose, impose. Now see, here the prefix is added to the root word. 4th, how to make adverb forms. The best way and the easiest way to remember how to make an adverb form is to add ly at the end of the word. Happy, happily. Polite, politely. Calm, calmly. Quiet, quietly. There are many adverbs which do not end with ly, however. They answer how, when, where, why and to what extent, how often, how much, etc. Example, she arrived today when we looked at the storeroom where he works out strenuously. To what extent? Now let us begin with the exercise. First one, make noun forms of create, creation, discuss, discussion, disturb, disturbance, exist, existence, enter, entrance, free, freedom, grief, know, knowledge, portray, portrait, undertake, undertaking. Question number 2. Rewrite using the noun forms of the underlined words. First one. That kind of drama doesn't amuse me. This kind of drama doesn't give me any amusement. Second, this purse costs 2000 rupees. The cost of this purse is 2000 rupees. Third, he has discharged his family. He is a disgrace to his family. The soldier fought bravely. The soldier put up a brave fight. Shylock replied cruelty. Shylock gave a crude reply. These two colors are slightly different. There is a slight difference between these two colors. I see this dog daily. I see this dog every day. Bassino read the letter carefully. Bassino read the letter with care. Laila is an intelligent as her sister. Laila has as much intelligence as her sister. 10th, she is too humble that everybody admires her. She is so humble that she wins everybody's admiration. Question number 3. Write the adjective form of the following by adding suffix. Now we have to form adjective forms. Talk, talkative. Officiate, official. Mind, mindful. Hope, hopeful. Hand, handy. Identify, identificial. Courage, courageous. Care, careful. Appear, apparent. Delight, delight. Question number 4. Rewrite using the adjective form of the underlined word. Now see, we have firstly done which form? Noun form. After that, adjective form of words. Now we have to use adjective form in the sentences. First one. There is beauty in her eyes. Her eyes are beautiful. She showed his courage in the battle. He was courageous in the battle. Third, probably he will migrate to Canada. It is possible that we will migrate to Canada. Fourth, there is a hope that she will pass. We are hopeful that she will pass. They don't permit smoking here. Smoking is not permissible here. Today's news interests me. Today's news is interesting. They create ideas. Their ideas are so creative. The snake had lot of poison in it. The snake was poisonous. He excels in math. He is excellent in maths. 10th point. He also have an access to the library. Library is accessible to all of us. Question number 5. Make verb form of the following word. Energy, energize. Power, empower. Large, enlarge. Certification, certify. Humanity, humanize. Fascinating, fascinated. Quiet, quieten. Thought, think. Sweet, sweeten. Urban, urbanize. Question number 6. Rewrite using the verb form of the underlined words. First one. My grandfather gave me no admission into his room. My grandfather refused to admit me into his room. Initiate a beginning and do not leave off in a hurry. Begin and do not leave off in a hurry. Third, our family had the choice of 4 different hotel rooms. Our family could choose from different hotel rooms. Fourth point, the PM's speech was received with applause. The PM's speech was applauded. All of them made a long speech for her chain, but in vain. All of them searched for her chain, but in vain. I will not give my mother any more trouble. I shall not trouble my mother any more. I do not have any liking for sweet. I don't like sweets. These children do not have any fear of ghost. These children do not have any fear of the ghost. It is not believed that he could be a criminal. I don't believe that he could be a criminal. The women took a journey together through a forest. The women took a journey together through a... Question number 7. Make adverb forms of beautiful, beautifully. Second, hopeful, hopefully. Third, luck, luckily. Fourth, angry, angrily. Fifth, east, eastwards. Sixth, up, upwards. Seventh, down, downwards. Eighth, clock, clockwise. Like, likewise. Elegant, elegantly. Question number 8. Rewrite using the adverb form of the underlined words without changing the meaning of the sentence. First, the boy replied in a rude manner. The boy replied rudely. Second, initiate a beginning and do not leave off in a hurry. Initiate a beginning and do not leave hurriedly. Third, she performed the job in an excellent way. She performed the job excellently. Fourth point, you should handle these kids with care. Answer, you should handle these kids carefully. And the last one, fifth one, Ram appeared for his test without any hesitation. Answer, Ram appeared for his test unhesitatingly. Now see, we have completed unit 23 and now we are moving on to unit 24, that will be synonyms and antonyms. I will make this video of this topic next time. Thanks a lot for watching this video.